Hey everybody, wanted to show you this thing that I did in my garage. I gotten this idea from other people on the net, on YouTube, and I thought it would be a great idea to do this in my garage. I have limited space in my work table, so what I did was I used this double-sided, double-stick tape to do some of the work here. And what I did was on the pegboard on my garage, I put this motherboard with a metal mother tray from an old case that I had laying around. And the motherboard's really old. It's a Soyo. I'm not sure if I'm saying this right. Soyo KT400 Dragon Ultra. It's AMD. It's an AMD board, and the processor is really old. This motherboard was back in the day, back when it came out, was one of the best, and I had it just lying there, so I decided to use it, see how if it still worked, and it does. What I'm doing right now is just putting all the cables, and I had to add a RAID card, SATA RAID card here, so I could connect my drives, optic drive and the hard drives. And originally I was going to put a different type of motherboard, a more recent one. I ordered on eBay a gigabyte motherboard, and turns out, see, what happened was that it was sent US mail, but the guy that sent it didn't insure it. So the package was left in front of my house and it got stolen. So, I'm gonna have to wait a week or so until I get another replacement. I was gonna do this just for shits and giggles, and use it mostly for like when I'm building a system, just to check to see if the hard drives are working, or the optic drive, other stuff. I was going to use that gigabyte motherboard for that, but now I'm going to have to wait until I get a replacement. So I'm using this instead, just to see how it works. And right up there I have a power supply. It's a Ray Max. Love these. They're pretty affordable. I mean, they're really affordable right now at Newegg. And they're, to me, very reliable. I've used them so many times. I haven't had any problems with them yet. And this is let me see, I think it's a 600 watts power supply. And over here I have 2 hard drive. I'm going to put these in RAID. And up there, as you can see, I also stick a player optic drive up here. You can barely see it. Let me see right here. So what I did, I used double stick tape, and it, man, this thing holds. It's unbelievable. I didn't think it was gonna work, but it does. And let me see what else. Yeah, again, this is just temporary. I'm just gonna use this to see how it works. And over here I have that USB wireless antenna, and connected through my network. Right now what I'm doing is I'm updating Windows XP for a build that I just did. Let me show you. This, I think, I mean, I never saw myself doing something like this. This is for my niece, and she's only 6 years old, and I use a lot of old parts. This is just for her to go on the internet and play on her, there's this website that they go to, it's pbs.org, where they play games. I guess at school they encourage her to go at that website, and it's an old Gateway case that I found on the street. Someone dumped on the road. So I decided to mod this, put a window here, Same concept with the automotive molding. The window I got at Home Depot, and all this little Disney theme I got at Michael's. And yes, it's pink. That's why I never saw myself painting a case pink, but there it is. Well, it's pink and black. It's I think it's a gloss black in the interior, and it's a, I forgot the name. It's pink, but it's a storm pink or very strong pink. And you see the Gateway logo there. Painted all this. Actually, this color here, now that I remember, it's a metallic dark color. That's what I used. And these are the optic drives. They're really old. They're IDE, and this is a DVD player, and this is a writable optic player. Here's the CD for that wireless USB adapter, and show you the other side here. Same thing. Put a bunch of Disney World characters. Cinderella. I don't know the other ones. I'm not too familiar with them. There's Snow White. And I think she'll love it. The stuff inside. Get this so you guys can see. Again, this is hold on, stand by. Let me open the panel. Okay. This is I think a 478 processor or socket. It's really old. This is the stuff I found on the side of the road. Someone dumped on the road, and I cleaned it up. It was just dusty. The motherboard worked, the processor worked, the memory worked, the hard drive worked. I erased everything in it. I can't believe someone would just dump this, but you know, I got lucky, I guess, and you know, put a small little mirror here so you can have some sort of reflection. The lights I got at Newegg, and what else? The power supply, I believe, is 300 watt power supply. And that's pretty much it. Alright. I guess if you guys like this video, please post some comments, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll talk to you later. I'll let you once I get the replacement board, I'll post a update video on that. And I love this. It doesn't take up a lot of room, so I have enough space to work here on any builds, any future builds. Right now it's a big mess, and this is an Antec case that I'm working on right now. So, all right, I'll keep you guys up to date, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.